What's up, my YouTube family? Guys, I'm not gonna lie. I like just set up my camera and it just started to that 3, 2, 1, and I was just like, I'm just gonna roll with it, y'all. Uncut, unraw, unedited. This is what it is, y'all. Guys, I hope everybody's having a great day. It's a Thursday. It's beautiful outside. It's warm, it's hot, but it's not like baking, scorching hot. So, that's what it is, guys. Also, y'all, I watched the Celtics game last night. It was so close. Like, it had me on the edge. We won, though. We won. Boston won. And if you don't know, I am from Boston, and I'm going to rep Boston all day, every day. 617 Boston strong. That's what it is. Guys, I have Conch. Ooh, it's still hot. It's steaming. I steamed it. I got some butter. I'm not going to tell y'all what kind of butter it is. My real folks know what it is. I actually don't have nothing to drink because this is going to be like a quick video. I shouldn't need nothing to drink. And like I said, I really don't drink while I'm eating. I don't like to drink while I'm eating. So that's why I always have water. And yeah, guys, this is really hot. I just took it out of the pot. Do y'all see the steam? I'm trying to get a thumbnail as I'm doing this, y'all. It still got something in there. I'm about to get that out of it. Look at the steam, y'all. Oh, it's hot. I'm about to burn my fingers, y'all. Like, I literally, really just took it out of the pot. Guys, let me know if y'all had conch before. It's like a big snail. Look at it. This is that stuff right here. Whenever you steam your seafood and stuff. Alright. I guess that means shut up and eat, right? I'm not going to do too much talking. I'm just going to eat it, y'all. Let me know in the comments if you had conch before. I know the Jamaicans and the Koreans, they do conch. This ain't even the best part of the conch, but I'm going to eat it anyway. Delicious. That butter's good too. Hot. This butter's hot too. Y'all see it still got steam? Mmm. That piece was good. Now I was about to get into that real. It's the real good part of the conch. Got the fork in the way now. It's the real conch meat right here. This was fresh. I think almost $10 for it. It was 9 something. Like 9.80 something. Really good. Guys, you know you want some. I don't know if that's an eye antenna. I know it got something to do with the head. It was by your eyeball. Y'all know I like eyeballs. Oh, this is the eyeballs. Hold on. Gotta show you something. I see it. All right. These are the eyes right here. Y'all see that? Do y'all see that? I gotta get this steamy stuff off. Do y'all see that? Look. I'm about to eat them though. I ain't playing that. I wasn't sure if this was gonna be enough butter. But it's doing what it do. It's lasting. The Caribbeans, they love conch. And they do like, I never actually had conch like in a like a dish, like made into a dish. I always had conch straight out of the shell. But like in Jamaica, Trinidad Islands, they slice it out and incorporate it in a dish. It's like I cook, but I'm not a chef, so I don't want to say like I cook basic, because I can cook. I'm gonna twist it. I can cook. mm. That's just gonna be a good bite right here. I still got two of these. You know, it's funny when you get like extra or something, you be like, oh, I got extra. But then when you get a little bit of something, you be like, I should have got more. That was a good bite. That was good. This butter is creamy. That was good, y'all. Oh, guys, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I knew I like rumbled on that. I was like, that's why I sound like, guys, if nobody told you today that they love you, let me be the first to tell you I love you. I love each and every one of you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Also, guys, it's free to subscribe. And I mean, come on, y'all. It's nothing like free support. You can support and it's free. Excuse me. Why not? So subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Guys, into the next video. Ciao.